The process of storing form data or input values in model class object, Java Bean class object is called data binding, right? Okay. Tell me, if I want to do data binding in two-way mode, if I want to do data binding in two-way mode, what should I do? If I want to do data binding in two-way mode, what should I do? I want reply. Okay, I should use Spring supplied JSP tag library tags, right? Okay, how to tell to dispatcher servlet before calling handler method of controller class? You should create given Java Bean class object and you should bind given form data into model class object or Java Bean class object. How to inform, guys? We have to use @ model attribute. Then only that class will be taken as model class, na boss. Then only that class will be taken as the model class. What do you say, my dear? Convinced or not convinced? Comfortable or not? Right. Yeah, if I use a traditional HTML form tags, one way binding takes place. If I use Spring MVC supplied JSP tags, two-way binding takes place, right, boss? Okay, guys. Yeah, while dealing with form handling, total how many handler methods we will take, guys? Total how many handler methods we will take, guys? 2. One handler method to launch the form page, one handler method to process the form submission, right? To launch the form page. This is to launch form page. This is to process the form submission. To process the form submission. This is to launch the form page. This is to process the form submission. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Show underscore result dot JSP. So shall I go for practicals of this, boss? Yes, boss. Class content, December 5th. Class content, date of this, data binding. Example application on data binding. Example application on data binding. Yes, boss. Tell me, step number 1. Create a Maven project as the web application. As the web application. There, change Java version. Change Java version. That's the one thing, guys. Next. B. Change Java version A boss. B. What is B, guys? Enable the directories. Enable the directories. Okay. From order and export tab. Okay. Next. Add the following dependencies in pom.xml file. One is Servlet API, other one is Spring Web MVC. One is Servlet API, Spring Web MVC. One is Servlet API, other one is Spring Web MVC. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Yeah. Let's get into our workspace, guys. What is our workspace? 16th. Let's do these steps one by one. Super. Tell me, guys, this is my step number 1. This is my step number 1, guys. Tell me here, what is there? New Maven project, boss. Say next, guys. Maven hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. Maven hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. I think it should not be quick start, guys. It should be web app. Maven hyphen archetype hyphen web app. What happened? Web app spell mistake. Rama spell mistake. 1.4. Yes, boss. What is the artifact ID? MVC pros. What is the MVC pros? Can you tell me what is the number, guys? MVC pros. Anyone remembered number of the project, guys? 04. MVC pros 04. 04. Okay. Data binding. Traditional HTML tags. Traditional HTML tags. Default package. Anyhow, it is not coming, boss. You take any name, that's not an issue. You take any name, that's not an issue. Right. It's taking time to create, it seems. Yeah, first, go to this place, boss. Build path, configure build path. Select these 2 directories. Select these 2 directories. So here is my pom.xml, guys. 1.7, 1.7. Even update project. Even update project, guys. Is there Maven update project? Here is my pom.xml. Here, what should I add? mvnrepository.com. mvnrepository.com, guys. servlet-api.java. servlet-api 4.0.1. Copy this. Paste it. servlet-api.java. servlet-api.java. Next. Next one. Spring Web MVC. Spring Web MVC. 6 point is there. Fine. 6 also no problem. Not an issue. Okay, boss. This is the another version. These two are the jars that I should add now, boss. Copy this, paste. Yeah. This is my dependency tag open, dependency tag closing. This is my dependency tag open, dependency tag close. Right click, guys, new package, guys, com.nt.control. Oh, JUnit is copied. So bad, so bad, so bad. Dependency open, dependency close. Yeah. Next one, guys. Add the following packages. Add the following packages. Add the following packages. Yes. src/main/java. New, guys, package com.nt.controller. New, guys, package com.nt.controller, guys. After that, what next? com.nt.controller, com.nt.model, guys. Super. com.nt.controller, com.nt.model. com.nt.controller, com.nt.model. Is that clear, boss? Done. These two are the classes. Model classes now, boss. Perform even update, boss. Even up. Why this is red color? It's gone. Everything is gone. develop the code for, okay, 1 minute. Configure the dispatcher servlet in web.xml. Configure the dispatcher servlet in web.xml. SRC main web app, guys. Here is my web.xml, boss. Yes, SRC main web app. Here is my web.xml. So, we are taking one private folder there now, guys. Folder pages. Folder pages, boss. Come on, are you with me? Folder pages. Yeah. What is there? Configure dispatcher servlet in web.x. Do I need to worry about that? How to configure? You already aware of that? Okay. For the last time, I am giving this. Last time I am giving. Step number 5. Write code for form launching and form submission. Write code for form launching and form submission. Super na, boss. Okay, now let's see, guys. First of all, form launching and form submission. Okay. Page. Okay, this is the basic plan, boss. This is the basic plan. I should get the home page first. I should get the home page first, which is welcome.jsp. Here I have a, what is there, guys? Register student. Yeah, here is my form page. Student underscore register.jsp. Okay, there, student number, student name. Okay, and what is that? Address average. Address average. Here is my submit button. Here is my submit button. Super, guys. Tell me, student number here, guys. Student name here, guys. Student address here, guys. Average, guys. Done. Student number here, name here, address here, average. Number here, name here, address here, average. Yeah, this is my dynamic web page, guys. Show underscore result.jsp. Result page. Okay. Student data is whatever data I have given here, that should be displayed. 101. Here is what? Raja. Address is Hyderabad. Average is equal to 90.0. Here is what? 101. Raja. Hyderabad. 90.33. Okay. Right. 101 Raja, Hyderabad, 90.33. Okay. So got it, guys. Come on, everyone. Yeah, when you click on submit button, actually registration should happen. But right now I am not introducing any database part, guys. So that's why what I'm going to do, I'm just going to display it. Here one home hyperlink, boss. Here one home hyperlink. When you click on that home hyperlink, the request should go back to the home. Request should go back to the home. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Yeah, show underscore result dot JS. Show underscore result dot JS. I hope you got the basic clarity here. Convinced, boss? Everyone technically convinced or not? Let's do the next level discussion. First, let me develop write the code for form launching and this one. First model class. New class student. Student.java. Student.java model. Yeah. When you are taking properties, when you are taking properties, better to take what? Okay, simple only will. String yes name. Yes name. Private string SADD. Private float arrays. Setters and getters. Right click, guys. Source, guys. Getters and setter methods, guys. Here is average, guys. Control plus shift plus. Control plus shift plus. Control plus shift plus I. Control plus shift plus F. Yeah, format the code, nothing else. Copy this. Student.java model class. Student.java model class. Yeah, this is my student.java, which is nothing but model class. This is my welcome.jsp. This is this one. This is my form page. Getter setter method. After that, what is the next thing, guys? After that, what is the next thing? com.nt.controller, com.nt.model. Student. Yeah. Next one, guys. Service, all the things. Just only. DSC is already configured, right? DSC is already configured. Now tell me, total 3 handler methods, boss. Total how many handler methods I should develop? 3 handler methods. Okay. But one by one we want to develop. Okay. Now let's go for controller class. I type URL. I type URL. I type URL. Who traps the request? Dispatcher servlet. Handovers the request to whom? Handler mapping. Handovers the request to handler mapping. If no handler mapping is configured, what is the default handler mapping, boss? If no handler mapping is configured, what is the default handler mapping? Request mapping, handler mapping. Do I need to configure it explicitly? No. Super. Copy paste. It will now give the request to whom, guys? Controller class. Now it will give the request to whom, guys? Controller class. Right, boss? Now it will give request to whom, guys? Controller class. Understanding my statement, boss? Where is this class? Where is this class, guys? Tell me what is there? Some operation. Student operations controller. Student operations controller, right? Student operations controller. Student operations controller. @controller. Super boss. What is next one? Public string. Show home page. Return welcome. Logical view name welcome. Okay, I am asking. You should respond for any request that is coming without any request path. That is, it should respond for any request that is coming without request path. When slash is there, it should respond. When slash is there, it should respond, guys. When slash is there, you should respond. Now, this logical view name goes to whom, guys? Dispatcher servlet. Dispatcher servlet gives to view resolver, which is already configured. Come on. View resolver gives view object. What is the view object? Slash webinf slash pages slash welcome.jsp. Slash welcome.jsp. Here I should take welcome.jsp file or not? Super. Here is my welcome.jsp. Super. H1 style. Color colon red. Text hyphen align center. Text hyphen align center. Come on, guys. Welcome to Spring MVC data binding. That is not most important, Ramon. Okay. H3 style. Color colon red. Text hyphen align center. Text hyphen align center. Text hyphen align center was. Text hyphen align center. Tell me what is there? Text hyphen align center was. Text hyphen align center. Text hyphen align center. href. Student. Register student. href student register student. Are you comfortable, guys? Come on, are you with me? Close all editors, boss. This has given me this one. This page has come, Ramon. This page has come. When you click on it, it should launch the form page. It should launch the form page now, boss. Okay. It should launch the form page means what? We clicked on hyperlink. We clicked on hyperlink, right? When you click on hyperlink, request goes to dispatcher servlet. Handovers to handler mapping. Handler mapping gives to whom? Handler mapping gives to whom? Controller class. Tell me here, what is this? Public string. What string, guys? Public string. Show student to form page. Say student form page. What is the path, guys? Student / student. It also going to give which mode request? Get mode. Get mode / student. Yes, guys. Return LVN. Return LVN. Tell me. Return. Return. What is there, boss? What is there? What is there? Student underscore form. Student underscore form.js. Yeah, this logical view name goes to whom? Dispatcher servlet. Dispatcher servlet gives to whom? This logical view name goes to whom, guys? Dispatcher servlet. Dispatcher servlet gives to whom, guys? View resolver. View resolver gives view object, right, boss? View resolver gives view object. View resolver gives to view object. View object contains physical view name. Can you guess what is the physical view name, guys? /webinf /pages / student underscore form.js. /webinf /pages / student underscore form.jsp. Understanding my statement? Student underscore form.jsp. Is that clear, my dear? Understanding my statement, boss? Or is it ready, guys? Not ready. Can I make it ready? Yes, JSP file. Student underscore form.form.jsp. Say next to say finish, boss. Say next to say finish. Guys, writing JSP is right, sir. What's the meaning of that? Student underscore. LVN has only student underscore form. But, okay. What is there, guys? You should add prefix and suffix, na boss. We should add prefix and suffix. Sai Sam, please try practice, ra babu. Okay. Super. It won't contains .jsp, ra babu. The only logical view name it contains. For that one, prefix and suffixes will be added. Forgot entire subject. Prefixes and suffixes will be added. Here I am returning .jsp. That's my mistake. That's my mistake then. No need of .jsp. Yeah. Tell me here what is there. Student registration is. Student registration page, guys. Form action student. Form action student. Array, not compulsory you should take student. You can take something else also. But if you want to take student, make sure that this form submission is sending post mode request. Already student with get mode is launching the form page. Student with get mode is launching the form page, right? So that's why for form submission, if you want to take the student, change at least mode of the request. Change at least mode of the request. Convinced or not? See, student as the request path, it is launching the form page. No, for form submission also I want to take student. Then change the mode of the request. Get student with get mode launches the form page. Student with post mode submits the form page. Convinced, guys? Yeah, a good programmer designs the form page as HTML table content so that alignment becomes easy, right? Default mode is get na. If no mode is specified, the default mode is get, right, guys? Center. Busy color cyan. Busy color cyan. TR. Opening and close. TD. Opening and close. TD. Opening and close. Input type is equal to traditional tags. Name is equal to SN. Close it. Input type is equal to text. Name is equal to yes. Sorry. Student number. Open this, guys. Paste it, guys. Here is my student name, guys. Yes, names. Open this, guys. Paste it, guys. Here is my student address, guys. Here is my SAD. Here is my SAD. Open this, guys. Paste it, guys. Here is my student address. Here is my address. Supernovas, paste it. Here is what? Input type is equal to call span is equal to input type is equal to submit, guys. Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to register. Value is equal to register. Is that clear? Value is equal to register. If you don't mention any mode, what is the default mode? Get. You know that. That's why we are mentioning post here explicitly. Yeah, we submit the request. Taking this one as URL, request is generated. Who traps the request? Dispatchers are led. Handovers the request to whom? Handovers the request to whom, guys? Dispatchers are led. Sorry, handler mapping. Handler mapping looks for what? Handler method. Super, guys. Okay. Yeah, handler mapping. It looks for handler method who can process student URL based request having post mode. Post mode. That's the one thing. One more thing, my dear. One more thing that we have to understand is before calling that method, dispatcher servlet should keep entire form data into model class object. Okay. For that purpose, I should introduce @model attribute annotation as the param na boss. Public string. Tell me. Process student form. Process student form. Yes. @model attribute. @model attribute stud. Student stud. @model attribute stud student stud. Super. @post mapping. Now tell me, two handler method can have same request path? Yes, but mode of request should be different. Interviewer asks the question, Can we give same request path for multiple methods of same controller class? Yes, but the mode of request should be different. Yeah. Public string process student form @ model attribute student stud. @ model attribute student stud. Student st also I can take, no problem. Anything. Super boss. Now listen carefully. Right now, no processing, nothing. I just want to see whether this binding is happening automatically. Form data. Yes. Okay. Let me give the feeling some business logic. Write business logic. Okay. Write business logic. Tell me, guys. If st dot get average less than or equal to less than 35. Okay, less than 35. Here, what is there, guys? String result is equal to null. String result is equal to null. Here is my word was. Result is equal to pass. Else, result is equal to fail. That's it. Nothing else. Array. Oh, reverse. I think everyone will join in my university if this is the case. Super. Here is what? Pass. Keep the results in model attribute. Keep the results in model attribute. Simply try to keep the results in model attribute, guys. Tell me what is there. Did I take map object to keep the results in model attribute? Certainly not. So yeah, here is my map string comma object map. Map string comma object map. Map dot put result. What is there, guys? A result. So this is the attribute name, this result data. Some name, right? Result data, some. Next. Return logical view name. Return show underscore result. Right. Except model attribute and post mapping, remaining all are old things now, boss. Except, come on. Except model attribute and post mapping, remaining everything is old now, boss. By seeing this model attribute, what it will do? Whatever form data it reads, it will try to put into student class object. Student class object will be added to what? Shared memory, having attribute name stud. Having attribute name stud. That means in the shared memory, now this object is also there. In the shared memory, now this object is also there. Come on. With what name? Attribute name stud. With what name? Attribute name stud. How do you prove, sir? Wait 2 minutes, I'll prove it. Go to model class. Try to put toString method here. Try to put toString method there. Right click, source, toString, generate. Cut it, paste it. Cut it, paste it. Cut it, paste it, guys. Student operations controller. Student operations controller. Yes, done, boss. Tell me this logical view name goes to where, guys? Dispatcher servlet. Dispatch. Tell me, if I learn subject like this, if I teach, are you going to forget the flow of execution, guys? Every day we are studying flow of execution, Raman. Dispatcher servlet. Dispatcher servlet gives to whom? View resolver. View resolver append prefix and suffixes, right? You will get a view object having physical name and location of view component. The physical name and location of view component. Are you understanding my concept, guys? Come on. Okay. Yeah. View object. Control try to go to uh, pages folder show underscore result.js. Show underscore result.js. Say next, say this. At the rate page is EL ignored is equal to false. At the rate page is EL ignored is equal to false. Is EL ignored is equal to false. Tell me, guys. The form data is, okay, the result is first one, H1 style is equal to text hyphen align center. The result is $result data. Next, guys. H3 form data is H3 form data is H3 form data is $. Form data is $. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Okay. This is my result data. What is the model attribute name, guys? What is the model? Stud. Expression language will not be enabled automatic. Expression language will not be enabled automatically. Are you getting my point there, guys? Here is my stud. Run on server, guys. Tomcat 9, guys. Come on. Remove all, guys. Finish, guys. Remove all, guys. Finish. What's the problem? Why it is giving error? Class not found exception Jakarta.http servlet. Why? Oh, Tomcat 10 we configured. Did we configure Tomcat 10 in our project, guys? Tomcat 9 only, na? Say next, say finish. Anywhere are we using 10th one? Acha, jar version. I understood. I understood. Go to pom.xml, guys. Oh, that is compatible with 6.0.2 is compatible with servlet 4. The Jakarta.packages. Jakarta.packages. Very dangerous. So still we have to take what? Go to pom.xml was. Yeah. What is the previous project latest version, Babu? What is previous project latest version? Previous one 5.3.24. Yeah, anyhow, copy paste. Save it was. Save. Right click, my dear. Run on server, guys. Say next, guys. Finish. Finish. Okay. It's coming now. Super. Register student. Form page is coming. Check it out. How can you say it's a one-way binding? How can I say it's a one-way binding? Here I wantedly said Hyderabad. I wanted to initialize with Hyderabad. Am I going to get that Hyderabad there? Am I going to get that Hyderabad there? No. Yeah, that's why it's a one-way binding or not. That's why it's a one-way binding or not. I want reply. 1001 Rajesh, array some previous data. Average 45 points. Click on resist. Result is Pasra Babu. And form data is also coming. Did I keep model class object in model attribute, guys? Did I keep this object? Did object in model attribute anywhere? Map.put is called? No. But when I try to read model attribute with the name stud, we are able to get with the stud only, with not with st. With stud only, we are able to get. Why? Array, the model class object that is created having form data will also be stored in shared memory, having attribute name, given attribute name stud, given attribute name stud. My theory and practicals are matching now, boss. Are you able to feel data binding practically? Are you able to feel the data binding practically, my dear? Yes, model class is given, boss. Okay. Yeah, this is done. This is done. This is my pom.xml, guys. Yes.